Ready to level up? Today, we're conquering 15 fruits and vegetables. How many can you guess? Let's go. What is this? Corn. Both have a textured surface. What is this? Cabbage. Round versus leafy. What is this? Bell pepper. Are they the same? Almost. What is this? Eggplant. Long and purple versus long and green. What is this? Mushroom. Looks like a tiny umbrella. What is this? Radish. White root with green leaves. What is this? Peas. Small green balls in a pod. What is this? Asparagus. Long, thin green sticks. What is this? Spinach. Soft green leaves. What is this? Avocado. Creamy inside with a big seed. What is this? Plum. Smooth, purple, and round. What is this? Celery. Long stalks with leaves. What is this? Blueberry. Tiny, dark, and sweet. What is this? Dragon fruit. Exotic and unique scales. What is this? Grapefruit. Large, bittersweet citrus. Mission complete. You are a true English superhero. Keep building your confidence. See you in the next flight.